Yeah. TNT. I have a good news for you. I'm here to let you know that yinkatntconsulting.com is ready, where you can make your bookings if you want to talk to me. You make your bookings, I get notified, and I'll wait for the time that you have chosen. I'll wait for that time. I'll wait for your calls, or I can call you if you don't mind. But in Koto Shele, please stop sending voice notes to me. Delete stop sending voice notes to me. Delete respond. Stop sending me messages. Stop asking me to advise you, or you want to talk to me. If you want to talk to me, yinkatntconsulting.com is ready. The link is there on my page. Click on the link, get your time, register, pay, and get your time. Oh, my wá sọ́dọ̀ mi. Mo ma pè yín, okay, pè mí fúnra yín ní time tẹ́ bá ti pick. Stop sending voice messages. I will not listen. Stop sending me message. Mi ò ní ọ̀nà ẹ̀. Stop calling me. I'm not going to pick it. I can only pick calls fún ẹni tó bá ti book appointment pẹ̀lú mi. Even tí time yẹn bá tó tí o bá pè mí fúnra mi ni mo máa pè ẹ́. I can only pick call when I know that you have booked an appointment with me. You have gone on my site to book. I can only call you when I know that you have paid me for whatever you want to discuss with me. I am not going to do anything free of charge again. It's over. And send the messages and send the voice note. I'm not going to listen to your voice note. Tó bá pè mí tí bá gbé mo máa bú ẹni, máa yàbẹ̀ pé ṣé wọ́n bí mi fún ẹni. Tó fi máa pè mí pé kí n down call ẹ. This is procedure ti wà. Follow the procedure. That is the link. That is the link on my page. Click on the link. Go on www.yinkatntconsulting.com. Make your booking and talk to me. I'm not doing free again. I'm not anybody's mother. Mo de kin she family member. So how do you think your life will affect me negatively? Why would you think I should be into your problem? Why would you think I should listen to you for free of charge? Is that not selfishness on your part? How do you think your case, your own headache, why do you think I should use paracetamol on your headache? Why do you think you should take my time just like that? I should listen to you with my own time. Listen, how selfish can some people be? Ma pè mí pé o fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ fún mi, mi ò fẹ́ gbọ́. Ma ní kí n advice ẹ, mi ò fẹ́ gbọ́. Ẹ̀yin ò bá fẹ́ kú tó bá ti lọ book appointment pẹ̀lú mi. Kò sanwó kí n tó bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Kò sí tó kàn mí. I have done mo ti ṣe free for years. And I think if I take my time, if I take my stand now, kí ni pé you have to make booking and before you talk to me, mo fi pé I have tried. And if you think I haven't, tough. Tó bá fẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, go on www.yinkatnt.com. It's not compulsory. You don't have to do it. But if you think I'm worthy, if you think you mo worth it, láti lè bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, tó fi pé okay, it's worth it, láti lè bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, tó dẹ̀ fi pé èmi náà worth it láti lè bá sọ̀rọ̀, then you have to do the right thing for you to be able to talk to me. Otherwise, I'm sorry. Tó bá send voice note mi ní gbọ́. Tó bá send the message mi ní kà. Mi mo kó bá rí blue gan, bó bá rí pé dàbí ni pé mo kà irọ́ ni. Mo kọ open ẹ̀ mi ní kà. Bó pè mí mi ní gbé. Bó send the message mi ní gbé. I am telling you, learn how to appreciate people. I have never come out to beg you guys for money. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mi ni mò ń jẹ. Ọpọlọ mi iṣẹ́ mi. I don't take from me. If you cannot give me, don't try to tap from me. Don't try to tap from me free. Mi ò ní gbé any call. Mi dẹ̀ ní listen sí any voice note. Oh, èyàn bá ní àǹtí kẹjọ mi tí ẹ ní gbọ́. So if you want to talk to me, Yinka TNT, go on www.yinkatntconsulting.com. Go and make your booking. It's just £19.99, which is £20. You can use anyone in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. You can use your Visa card, your MasterCard. If you have PayPal card, you can use. If you have PayPal account, you can use it. Other than that, I am sorry. I am not listening to anybody's problems. I'm not interested. Please. Itaban she tó bá ní opportunity láti pè wọlé kájọ sọ̀rọ̀ káwọn èèyàn benefit, fine. Other than that, don't call me my private time for free. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa insult ara wa, ẹ má jẹ́ kí máa sound saucy, kí máa torí ẹ̀yin náà lè máa ní ó ti ní ìgbéraga jù ó ṣe kíní kan, because you're not doing the right thing. So I am nísìnyí o, it has come to stay. Shabarikolo.com is going to ready soon. Àwọn tó ti sanwó fún mi, ẹ ṣì ní sùúrù fún mi, because tí bá send picture yìí tó bá like mi ò lè force wọn. Àwọn obìnrin náà tó sanwó ní Nàìjíríà, àwọn tó bá ti wà nínú group yẹn nìkan ni wà ní care mi. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń pè mí kíní kan mi tí ẹ ní down. Tó bá fẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ tó ní problem tó fẹ́ sọ, go on yinkatntconsulting.com, make your booking, it will come to me, I'll call you. Otherwise, keep your problems to yourself, I'm not interested. Tó bá di ẹ má gbàgbé o, gbọ́ mi sí mọ́jọ ní ọjọ́ Tuesday ní 10 to 12 p.m. Àjọ máa jomi tó ru ọ̀rọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ ní topic tí mo fẹ́ ká ṣe. Òun náà ni wípé kí ni ojú opó máa ń rí tí ọkọ wọn bá kú. Ìjẹ́ gbogbo opó ló máa ń dárò ọkọ wọn sí rere. Ìjẹ́ gbogbo opó ló máa ń dárò ìyàwó sí rere. Ìjẹ́ gbogbo opó ló máa ń lọkọ wọn máa ń dùn àbí wọ́n máa ń dúpẹ́ pé ó lọ ó fún mi ní ìrọ̀rùn. Then kí ló dé tí àwọn opó ọkùnrin, àwọn opó tó yẹ pé ìwà tí bó ṣe máa ń treat àwọn opó obìnrin nínú family ọkùnrin, tí àwọn ìyàwó àwọn ọkùnrin bá kú, wọn kì í treat àwọn opó ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ló dé, kí ló fà? Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa sọ. Then báwo ni àwọn opó gan, báwo náà ṣe ń jìyà? Ìyà okó, ìyà owó, ìyà oríṣiríṣi. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn opó inú wọn bàjẹ́ pé ọkọ wọn kú? Ṣé gbogbo àwọn opó gangan ló jẹ́ opó kan tọkàntọkàn? Ire o, a ó máa sọ. Ó dàbọ̀.